Hello friends, so let us see what are the 5 secret keys of today's. Let me reduce the size of my video. So first shortcut way how to know the total of typed number. So we have to just type some numbers. After typing the numbers we need to select them, and after selecting the numbers you can see the total here 6025. So you don't have to calculate and put formulas, any formula, nothing is required. Just type the numbers, select them, automatically it will show here sum. What is the sum here? 6225. It is same thing we can implement in the vertical way also. So now let us see what is the total of these three cells. It is 70,000, no sorry, 7 lakhs 6,961. So this is the fastest way to know the total of the given numbers. Now let us go for the next shortcut key, that is shift 11. Shift F11 is used to insert the additional worksheet. Now you can see here there are 4 keys, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 keys are there, 5 sheets are there. Now we want to add the another sheet key, so I will just press shift F11. You can see the shift 1 has been, sheet 1 has been added. So I don't need it, so I will delete it. Now once again I will repeat the things. You need to press and hold the shift key, and you need to press the F11 key along with that. Now you can see once again the shift sheet number 2 has come. So to delete the unnecessary sheets you need to go there, right click on that, then you will find the delete option, so you can delete it. Same way you can rename also if you need it, and you can move and copy. So many things are there. As of now I need to delete this thing, we easily delete it. Next column is very useful, freeze. Sometime when we have so many big list to enter the data, then sometime we will get confused that which data has to be put under which column. So we need to come back on the top and we should see the headings. So how to freeze the heading, in this we will see. It is very easy. Suppose you want to freeze, this is the heading, this heading you want to freeze it, you just come and click on the next line of that and just go to the view option. After going to the view option, go to the freeze pens. After freeze pens you need to just click on this first option, freeze pens. Once you click on that you will see one line has come here. Once the line is there, if you just scroll it down, so you will see the numbers and names are going down, but the headings will remain there only. So this is how we can put the freeze the headings, and it will be very helpful to know what type of heading is there on the top and what data has to be entered. Next shortcut key is Control F2. Now suppose we have to see what we are going to print. So for this, general way is we have to click here, we have to go to print, then we have to click on print preview. So it will consume more time. So to avoid that, the shortcut key is you need to press and hold Control and just press the F2 key. Directly you can switch over to the print preview option. So the key is Control plus F2. So this is the fourth shortcut key of today. Next one is F4. So I will just delete this, then I will show delete entire row. What is the use of that? This key is used to copy the background of the last cell. Now suppose you have typed something and we want to give the color of this cell as a, okay, let us go for green. Now we want the next color also should be green only. So press the tab key and just press the F4 key. So wherever you want, you don't have to take your mouse, click on that, you just have to go to the active cell and press F4 key. The selected color will come over there automatically after once you press the F4 key. So these were the 5 shortcut keys for today. Hope you have liked the video. Thank you. All the best.